by this time in the previous years, we have had so many headphones, but this year has slowed down a little bit for headphones, and I'm kind of okay with that. Today, we're going to look at a bone conduction set of headphones with a boom mic. Now, I kind of like the idea of this because if you are someone that does have to do Zoom calls or you talk a lot and you have to wear a headset all day because of work or whatever, anything that has to go in your ears, it can be a little bit of an annoyance when you have to wear them for hours at a time. If you're someone that wears like over-ear or on-ear headphones, if they're on-ear, pressure, over-ear, sweaty, there's just a lot of negatives. Sound quality is probably really good. Bone conduction kind of allows it just to kind of sit here nice and light. And if they work well, then I think this could be a really good option. So this is the Mairdi M100V bone conduction headphones with boom mic. 16 reviews right now, 5 stars, 40% off at time of filming. I think I may have a coupon code from them because they did send this to us for testing. I don't have anything that I have to say. It's all me. It's all me, baby. Let's take a look at what they have to say on their website. We will open the box. I will connect them to my computer and we will see what they sound like. These are explicitly designed for home office job experience with patented bass enhancement and 360 seal cavity. Bluetooth 5.3, open ear design, noise cancelling boom, all day comfort, crystal clear communications for work, driving, and web conferencing. IP66 waterproof and sweat resistant. So if you're working at home and just sweating, invest in an air conditioner. If you can, open the window, maybe. But 8-hour music and calls. That sounds good. And they do have, I'm not 100% sure, they say Bluetooth, but I'm guessing this little connector here is, I hope it's not necessarily needed, that if you have a computer with Bluetooth, that these would just be able to connect to that, but we'll find out, because of course I have my laptop here. Anyways, let's open it up. Now, I don't know if this comes in multiple colors. It just says color on the top, black. My guess would be, I don't see anything on here. I think that shows that it can do multiple colors. But again, there's the box. Mairdi, Sound of Nature. What? Sound of Nature. You get some extra stuff on the back. So aptX HD, 8 hours of music, connect to computer, hands-free business office, multi-point pairing, titanium fit. That sounds fancy. This says IP65. That says IP66. So let's go with 65, I guess. Open ear design. Okay. I always find it weird when you go on one place and it says one bit of information, and you go somewhere else and it says a different. Who am I to judge? Wireless bone conduction headphones. Sound of nature. They like that sound of nature. So you do get the actual headphones, and there's the little. You guys can see it. There's the little boom arm. That's all right. And I have had the Mairdi, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, headphones, bone conduction headphones before. They were good. You do get, this is kind of neat too, they do give you, they're just earplugs, so you put those in your ears so that your brain, I don't know, focuses, maybe it's your ears, I don't know, whatever focuses on the vibrations versus extra sound. I actually like them without these because I just do. But if you're in a loud environment, I would put these in for sure. Like if you're in an office or you have kids around or whatever, and they just don't know how to be quiet, then you put these in to help deaden the sound around you, which helps make the actual bone conduction just, I want to say, seem like it's louder. This little guy here, just see how that USB is in there? That's how you get it out, I guess. Now they do have a little thank you. If you have any questions, contact us. You have a little, I don't know what this is. Attention, please check the charging port before charging to make sure there is no water stains or foreign matters. Okay, sure. This, I guess, is attention, Bluetooth. Sure, yep, good. User manual and quick user guide. So it does say power on off. Long press the plus button for 4 seconds to power on. Long press the plus button for 4 seconds to power off. That seems fair. Pairing, after pairing on, the headset will go into pairing mode, blue and light flashes. And this is, again, the first time. So if you do have these paired with a phone and then you decide that you want to pair them with another phone, make sure you forget them on the first phone. Turn on the mobile Bluetooth and search M100V for pairing. This is on the mobile. Now my guess is if your computer does have Bluetooth, you shouldn't need this, because I'm going to try this, of course, on my computer, just because I think if you're a home office person, you're probably going to be using this on the computer. USB-A to USB-C for charging. I do like that you get a nice little case. That's nice. And that's everything in the box. This is them. I just need to see in advance. There's your buttons at the bottom. There's your USB charging port right there. Yeah, no, that's just going to pop out for charging. And there is that plus and minus. And that's really it. That's really it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. And then what we're going to do is come up here on my computer. You guys should be able to see this, to my Bluetooth. And we'll see inside here if it will find anything. Bluetooth devices. Okay, let's just see. One of these buttons that it said, again, it's hard for me to tell here, right? This one maybe? Power on. Pairing. There we go. So now we just wait. There they are. M100Vs. Connect. So that works. So if you have Bluetooth on your computer, you don't need connected. Sweet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this screen recording here, because but it's recording that audio, and then I will bring up the screen recording again, and in my options, microphone will be the M100Vs. And now you guys should be hearing the M100Vs. So what do you think? What do you think of the sound? Are they? This is this microphone, and you can see here, and they actually do. When I heard them talking, I was like, okay, that's reasonable. That's the connected Bluetooth pairing. I know, kind of sexy. It sounded good. It sounded more bassy than I thought. So what I'm going to do here now is, I don't know how well this is going to record because of two things happening. I'm going to bring up my YouTube, if I can, and my YouTube here. Let's just grab a video that came out like so. So I will say, if you're using them just for like talking with somebody, completely fine, for sure. Now I can tell based on when I recorded this, and I've listened to this and watched this video a few times, of course, during editing. Of course, it's more bassy when it comes out of in-ear earbuds or headphones, or it comes out of a good set of speakers. But again, if you're just doing like business calls and things like that, yeah, that's all right. That's good. Because I think, again, that's what they say these are for, right? You're not getting these for music. You're getting it for this. And again, I think that sounds really good. Now, if I did want to play some music, and I know I do have some copyright-free stuff here, just to make sure, let's just listen to this one just to see. Yeah, no, it's, if you wanted to listen to music, it's fine. It's okay. You can tell that there is some noise canceling that it's doing to try to get rid of extra sound. And it's one of those things when you're listening to music that you can hear that it's processing the sound to try to help with noise canceling, to try to get rid of background sounds. So if you were buying these and being like, you know what, 90% of the time, or even 60% of the time, I'm going to listen to music with them. And then it's nice to have them for my calls. Then I'd be like, just be aware. That's not what they're intended for, and audio performance-wise, that's not what they're delivering. But if it's flip side, and you're like, no, I'm going to be doing 70, 80% using these for Zoom calls or FaceTime calls or Google Meets or whatever it's called, then yeah, 100%. I think these are great. And like I said, because these are so light, and you just kind of have them sitting on here, right? There's no pressure, they're not in your ears, they're not over your ears, they're not making you sweaty. You could wear these forever. Maybe not forever, but you could wear them for a long time. All right. Yeah. I'm going to put links down below because I think they're good. Again, if you want these as music headphones, then I think there are other options out there. But if you are looking at these for home office stuff, business stuff, and like calls and things like that, then I think it's a really great option. All right, my friends, these are the Mairdi M100V bone conduction headphones with boom mic. Yeah, I like it. They're good. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested, and we will see you guys next video. Later.